Okay, guys, just real quick thing. My hair is a mess, but that's okay. The video I posted it wouldn't post. It was an error uploading, so gonna do it now. So, okay. If you guys want to follow us on all of our social medias, I will say them now. So, Instagram is private. TikTok for me is Ellison8. My sister's is Payton0719. Wishbone for me is Ellison8 again. Peyton's Wishbone is full-time soccer fan. Our YouTube is SweetTube Sisters. My age is 10. My sister's age is 8. So, now that you guys have heard all that, let's get in. Okay, I don't know if it's still stormy outside, but we actually have a bird's nest. I hope the mama bird isn't in there, because if it's not, I can show you the eggs. But it probably is. It's right there. It might be because it's still a little windy. So I just want to, make sure she's good. Yeah? I'm making another YouTube video. Well, the other one had an error posting, so I'm redoing it. It wouldn't post. It had an error uploading. So I'm just redoing this one.
Error?
Yeah. Say hi. Mom tickled me. That tickled. Okay. Hopefully the mama bird isn't in there. She probably is because of all this wind. No one is outside right now, I see. I see one person, but oh my gosh, it is windy. But you know, guys, doing it for you. Oh, it's windy. Okay, the mama bird's most likely in there protecting their babies because, yeah, it's windy. So, windy. I think it's wet from the rain earlier, so it was probably just okay. And also, if I knock on the box, the mom is not going to leave because it's trying to protect their babies, so it wouldn't leave. Oh, guys, dang it, the mama's in there. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's my room up there. But the mama bird is in there, still protecting her babies. I will do a video like this every single day, do not worry. And also, if the wind starts blowing this way, I'll show you the bird. Okay, I don't want to go over here because most of the time, it'll just turn on me and it'll make me really upset. But I'm doing it for you guys. If it turns that way, I'm going to be upset like, why? Okay, so, are you serious? It just, no. Okay. Go. Okay, it's kind of turning my way. It's scared of me, because are you serious? How many times are you going to turn? Okay, I'm just going to go out here it's scared of me, but if I would to hurt her babies, she would get mean, so I'm fine. As long as I don't hurt them or her babies. Okay, I'm going to go over this way. I'm going to go. Okay, wait, I'll show you guys me now. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go around this way. Sorry, I'm in slides, so I can't run too fast. Because I don't think we can go fast in slides. I don't know if, I can't go as fast as I normally can. Oh, guys, you could see it right there. Oh. Okay, guys. gonna leave it alone for now, just because she's doing her stuff with her baby. But one day I noticed a nest, and I was like, oh, it's in the birdhouse. And I was super excited, and after a couple days later, I found 4 blue eggs. It was super cool. So, it was super duper cool. Now we have them, and hopefully we can see them like hatch. I will post a video like this every single day. Make sure everything is good. But for now, guys, I'm just gonna, going to have to say goodbye. Okay, bye. Okay, wait. I'm not done yet. Okay, now I'm gonna go. For real. Bye.